Teens can be the hardest group to keep engaged in ESL, unless you have these. Today, I'm sharing 4 activities my teenage students actually ask for. And the last one is my secret weapon. Okay, so activity 1, speed chat roulette. Here's how it works. Arrange the class into 2 equal lines facing each other. Each student talks to the person directly in front of them for 1 minute on a fun question or topic. After 1 minute, one line shifts 1 step to the left so that everyone gets a new partner. Give a new topic each time, and make sure they are teen-friendly and fun. For example, if you could have any superpower, what would it be? Continue until every student has spoken to most classmates or until you feel like energy starts to drop. So why does this work so well? Teens love movement and variety. This keeps the energy high and gives them multiple short, low-pressure speaking chances. Here's a little pro tip. Prepare at least 8 to 10 prompts in advance. That way you can keep the momentum without pauses. Activity number 2, meme challenge. Here's how it works. Choose 4 to 6 school appropriate memes, any funny picture that students can relate to, and remove any captions or text. Put students into groups of 3 or 4. Show 1 meme at a time, either projected on the board or printed, and then give students 3 to 4 minutes to create the funniest, most creative or most accurate English caption for that image. Each group then reads their caption to the class, and the teacher or the class vote and pick the winner. So why does this work so well? Memes are part of teen culture. This blends humor with language practice in a way they naturally enjoy. Here's an extra tip. Use point systems across multiple memes. Competition keeps teens motivated. Activity 3, detective story. Here's how it works. Prepare a short mystery scenario in advance. For example, someone stole the school's trophy with different clues written on small strips of paper. Give each student 1 clue card and make sure no one can see the full story. Students walk around and ask and answer questions to share and gather clues. As they collect information, they try to figure out the who, what, where, and why of the mystery. End the class with a class discussion to piece together the full story. So why does this work so well? It turns speaking into a mission. Teens get so caught up in solving the puzzle, they forget they're speaking English. Here's a little tip. Give a small reward for the first student or team who solves the mystery correctly. Activity 4, reverse charades, our secret weapon. How it works. Divide the class into 2 teams or more. 1 person from each team is the guesser and stands facing away from the board or the screen. The teacher shows a word or a phrase, for example, riding a roller coaster, to the rest of the team, not the guesser. The whole class then acts out the word or phrase at the same time, but without speaking. Then the guesser has 30 seconds to say the answer correctly in English. Then rotate so that everyone gets a chance to be the guesser. Why it works so well? It's chaotic, it's hilarious, and makes even shy students want to join in. Here's a pro tip. Mix easy and harder phrases so that all level of students can participate successfully. Try one of these in your next class and you'll see the difference immediately. And this is just part 1. In the next video, I'll share 4 more activities that work every single time. If you want more activities for teenagers, click here. If you want proven techniques and you want to become a certified ESL teacher, check out our TESOL courses taught in class or online live. Link in the description. And remember, the best way to keep teens engaged is to keep them guessing. So, see you in the next one. Oh, here's a tip for students. Replace your teacher with AI and add a prompt that says, never ever ever give me homework. Then you will have free time in the evenings to do whatever you want. Follow me for more tips.